Hello, dear students. Thank you for joining me. Students, do you know what is R blends? Let's learn together. R blends are consonant blends where the second letter is R, and there are 7 different R blends. Let's see these blends. Burr, cur, dur, fur, gur, purr, tur. These are the 7 R blends. And today we have selected grr blend. Grr. Grr, e, green. Grr, a, l, grill. Grr, s, grass. Grr, a, p, s, grapes. Grr, a, n, d, p, a, grandpa. The last A is lazy or schwa sound. Grr, oo, groom. Grr, o, grow. Grr, o, s, e, grocery. Grr, eat, greet. I hope you have found this concept very easy. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.